Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to record an audio file for your presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for this, open up the Keynote application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go to the top toolbar, go to File, Open. This should take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this and then go to Open. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Add a Slide. Let's now remove all the content in this slide. Now let's go to Media, go to Record Audio. Now let's click on the Record Audio button to record audio. So we are currently recording audio. Let's just say Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial. Stop. We can preview the audio or insert the audio. Let's just insert. Now we can play. So we are currently recording audio. Let's just say Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial. Command S to save. We can now quit Keynote. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.